رمضان 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 يا حبيب رمضان.
Die, 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 die. Die, you stupid spy. Yo, look up, there's a person with an automatic gun. You guys think that's a girl? Take her down. You guys are going to win the battle. What a freak. She just killed me. I think I remember her before. Her username is Moa, the creator of this video. Oh man, I felt tired. I have more battle to finish. You guys start a next round while I head to the store to grab something to drink. Be right back. A few moments later. I got a Red Bull to stay up longer to finish the battle. I will be back home shortly. Okay, I am back. Yo, what the? Why are we lost? You guys suck at this game. You're a loser. You guys are disgraceful. Hey, don't blame me, bro. I was walking to the store to buy some Red Bull. That's none of your business. You guys suck at this game. I hope you choke on a Starburst candy, you ugly freak. Anyways, let's start playing typical Color 2 beta. But if we lose again, then I will come to your house and kill you.
Classic Caillou. Do you know what time is it?
Get out, Mom, I'm busy.
You shut your mouth and listen to me. I have to get up early for mosque volunteering. Even though the creator of this video is Muslim, I have to help other people prepare for the first day of Ramadan 2025. And now I can't sleep because you're too noisy.
So, none of my business. You just had insomnia.
No, I don't have insomnia. The noise makes me have a hard time falling asleep. Shut the computer now. Shut it off and go to bed.
But Mom, I started the server already.
I don't care. You can play more Roblox tomorrow. Right now you shut the computer off and go to bed.
Can you just get out?
If you don't shut off the computer now, then I will tell your father and you will get a punishment day. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, Mom. I will go to bed now.
And don't you dare make some noise ever again.
Sorry guys, I gotta go now. Mom just forced me to go to bed. Hey, don't you dare trash talking to me. I swear you're going to be next if you start trash talking again. See you besties tomorrow. I still have some Red Bull left. I will drink it all. I don't want to sleep with dry throat. Alright. Good night, guys. For goodness sake, I can't sleep. Sleep now. Please sleep. Sleep. Wah.
Quiet right now, you ugly freak. What is wrong with you?
I can't sleep.
Why not? Just close your eyes and you will fall asleep.
I tried. But I am still awake.
Did you drink Red Bull?
Yes. So I don't get dehydrated.
That's the reason why you're awake. Ooh. Are you stupid? That energy drink have a lot of caffeine. Classic Caillou. Why did you drink Red Bull energy drink late at night and cause a lot of noise waking my butt up?
Because I don't want to be dehydrated when I go to bed.
You can just drink water, milk, or non-caffeinated tea. That's even better. Not the Red Bull or Monster energy drinks. Are you just stupid? What the heck is wrong with you?
I'm just too lazy to get downstairs to grab some water.
Your laziness will make 10 times worse. Talking amongst yourself in your ugly room this late and waking everyone up. What is the matter with you? That's it. You are grounded. Don't you dare think about another screaming and yelling noise ever again. Be quiet and go to sleep now.
But I can't.
I'll make you sleep if you don't do it now.
Please don't. I'll sleep now.